Hello, my name is Shrees. I'm an attorney in Virginia. If you've been charged with prescription fraud, you need to take it very seriously. Why? Because it's a serious crime. It can have a significant impact on your job, your liberty, your ability to get a job in the future, your current admission in school. The type of clients we frequently represent are usually professionals who have become addicted to prescription drugs or young college students who have had the misfortune of taking drugs such as Ritalin and Adderall to do well in school. Understand that if you have been charged with this crime, you are facing very serious penalties. You can reach my office at 888-437-7747. I can and know how to help you. Possession of prescription drugs illegally for personal use or profit is termed prescription fraud. The rise in prescription drug misuse, abuse, and addiction have reached alarming proportions in the United States and is being prosecuted aggressively. It's quite difficult to get clients who have been charged with prescription fraud to get the help they need. Why? Because it's expensive to get the help they need. And it is critical that they get the help they need. If they don't get the help they need, then they're going to face even more severe penalties. There are options if you've been charged with this crime, and an experienced lawyer can show you how to get through this process. I have handled many of these types of cases, and I can show you how to try and avoid or minimize these charges. You need to understand, as a result of millions of people in this country suffering from prescription drug use, the courts are not taking this lightly. Did you know that it's illegal to buy or sell these prescription drugs? As a result of it, the laws for prescription drugs have tightened significantly. It is that much harder now to get your doctor to write you pain pills or other type of prescription drugs that are scheduled substances. Talk to me. We can discuss your options. We can discuss what are the things you can potentially do to help yourself. You need to make sure your attorney, the one you hire, has handled these types of cases. You also need to understand what are the different types of charges involved with prescription drugs. One of them is fake prescription. You need to know that in the state of Virginia, it is a crime to forge a doctor's name, changing the number of pills on a prescription, or using deceptive means to get drugs. Uttering is another type of crime, which is basically using a forged document to try and get the prescription pills. If you give that to a pharmacist, 9 times out of 10, if they suspect it's a forged document, they're going to call the police. And you need to understand that this is a separate crime. You also need to know that possession of drugs such as Oxycodone, Vicodin, Percocet, Xanax, etc. is an illegal act if you don't have a prescription for it. Distribution is an even more serious charge. If you're charged with distribution, now you're facing extremely severe penalties. And again, I'm telling you very clearly, the court's not going to take it lightly. You need to know what type of charge you've been accused of, and you need to know what your options are if you've been accused of such a crime. Call my office at 888-437-7747, and let's talk about how I can help you. Thank you.